This video demonstrates a quick and easy method to reset Windows 10 PC without losing data to format the Windows installation drive, which is usually the C drive if you haven't already changed the installation location and reinstalled Windows 10 to recover the factory settings. Let's start. Press Windows I. This will open up the settings. Go to Update and Security. Click on Recovery. Under Reset this PC, select Get Started. It will give you two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. The Keep My Files option will not delete your personal files such as images and documents that you have manually created. Still, it will remove the applications. On the other hand, the Remove Everything option will wipe out everything including your personal files. If you have done a proper backup of your personal files and transferred them to a different drive, you can choose any of these two options. Otherwise, go to the first option, which is Keep My Files. Then it will do some background tasks and might take some time to complete. Now it will ask us how would you like to reinstall Windows. We have two options here. First, cloud download, and the other local reinstall. The cloud download option will get the latest updated version of the Windows 10 ISO file from the official website of Microsoft. It is around 4 to 5 GB in size and might take time to download depending upon your internet connection speed. On the other hand, the local reinstall option will use the previously saved version of Windows 10 ISO file which is already stored on your disk. So for this moment we will use the local reinstall option because it won't require us to download anything from the internet. We can update our Windows after resetting has been done. Now click on Change Settings. Set Restore Pre-installed apps to Yes. Set Download Windows to No, as it will reinstall Windows from this device. Then click on Confirm. Now select Next. Okay, this is the final stop. You need to listen to this. After clicking on this reset button, your computer will restart and the Windows 10 reset and formatting process will begin, and you won't be able to come back after that. So before you click the reset button, double check that you have properly backed up all the important files and transferred them outside of the C drive or the drive where your Windows installation files are stored. As soon as we click on reset, your Windows 10 computer will be formatted and set to default factory settings. Unfortunately, I am not running on a virtual machine and I'm running on a real hardware, so I don't want to click on this reset option because I don't need it right now and I don't want to format my PC at this moment. When it comes to losing the data and apps, you must transfer them to a different drive other than the one where your Windows system files are stored. To be honest, this will wipe out everything stored in the C drive. Formatting means deleting everything, so there is no way to protect those files other than to transfer them to a separate drive or location that won't be formatted. For bookmarks and password stored in your browser, you can export them and copy them to another location. We will not format. This process to reset Windows 10 will only affect the C drive and not any other drive. What's next for you after this? You will have to plug in your charger, as this might take time to complete, will require good power, and you will need to sit back, relax and let the Windows operating system do its job. Once the reset Windows 10 process is complete, you might have to provide the new name of your PC and similar minor tasks which you can easily do by following the on-screen instructions. So that's all for how to reset Windows 10 without losing data in 2024 and beyond to format your laptop to default factory settings. If you want more Windows 10 tips and tricks like this one, check out this playlist on our channel. Please like and subscribe before leaving. Take care.